Today I got a good one for you, everybody. I got 3 deer I gotta get worked on, and we're gonna get them skinned up, get them boiling, pressure washed, clean them up nice and white for the customer. Let's enjoy this show. Appreciate y'all. First things first, a few things that you need for skinning deer, or any animal for that matter. I got a blade handle here, comes from Havel or Havalon. I use these blades, come in this little pouch. The 70 XT blade is what it's called. You basically just stick it on there, lock it into place, and you're good to go. Pair of gloves, obviously, and some cut gloves, so you don't cut your fingers with the scalpel blade. Let's get to skinning. Well, here we are. Got them all skinned up. Got them in the pot here. Got a little bit of soapy soap for degreasing. Let's put a bunch of this in there, get the pot fired up, get them boiling. Yippee! Hey, while we wait for these things to simmer, shoo, it's hot, man. It's like 90 degrees out today. Not the ideal temperature to be boiling skulls, but customers gotta get their stuff. So I'm getting it done. While we wait, how about subscribe, like the video. Appreciate all of you guys for watching. If you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you as well. And let's keep rolling on this project because it's hot and I want to get in the AC. See ya. These glorious beasts have been simmering for about 20 minutes or so. Let's pull them out. Get the squirt job. Whee! Right on, right on, right on. I have successfully cleansed the deer. They're all clean. Next step, we got to wrap the antlers. You want to wrap the antlers because you want to wrap them all the way around. I use just regular old packing shrink wrap. A little bit of electrical tape tight around the burr so none of that whitening stuff gets up underneath there and whitens the antlers. You do not want that stuff under there because it will turn your antlers white. So if you're doing it this way, make sure you wrap your antlers. Okay? All right.
I begin to
You know what time it is. It's whitening time. So I got them all in the pot. They're whitening. They're like, what the heck is that on top of their head? They're little towels. So basically I don't want to submerge the whole thing because I don't want to whiten the antlers whatsoever. And this just ensures that it doesn't get on the antlers whatsoever. I just put a towel over each one, and then periodically I will just dip a little container in there and pour some on the top of their heads so they whiten as we heat up. So I'll bring this to a boil, shut it off, leave them for a few minutes, pull them out, and they're done. See you in a minute. Alrighty, it's the next day. These things are all dried up. I sealed them all with mop and glove. And look at them. They turned out amazing. Once again, I appreciate you all. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. I'm going to have plenty more content coming out soon. I love you. Be good to each other.
I begin to